Here are 14 more Windows 11 tips to master. Number 1. Move the Start button. The Start button is now centered on the taskbar by default, but you can move it back to the left side if you prefer. Right-click on a blank area on the taskbar, then select Personalize. Click the Taskbar Behavior drop-down to see more settings, and from here you can set the taskbar alignment to the left. Number 2. Enable Dark Mode. Dark Mode is easier on the eyes and can save battery life on some devices. Just simply go to Settings, Personalization Colors, and then select Dark Mode. Number 3. Hide unwanted taskbar buttons. You can hide buttons for apps that you don't use often. Go to Settings, Personalize, Taskbar, and then turn off the buttons you don't want to see. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and get involved. Number 4. Use the new File Explorer. The new File Explorer has a more modern look and feel, and it also has tabs. Take advantage of the new Widgets. Widgets are small interactive windows that can provide you with information at a glance. Use the new Microsoft Teams chat. Microsoft Teams is now integrated into Windows 11, making it easy to stay in touch with friends and colleagues. Take advantage of the new gaming features. Windows 11 has been optimized for gaming, with features like Auto HDR and Direct Storage. You can read more about it by following the link listed. Use the new touch features. If you have a touch screen, Windows 11 is more touch-friendly than ever before, with features like improved gestures and new touch keyboard. Just go to Settings, Personalization, Text Input. Use the new pen features. Windows 11 is also more pen-friendly, with features like improved ink and a new pen menu. Get there by Settings, Bluetooth, and Devices, and then select Pen and Windows Ink. Number 10. Use the new accessibility features. Windows 11 has several new accessibility features, such as improved closed captioning and a new narrator. Number 11. Use the new security features. Windows 11 has several new security features, such as hardware-based security and a new security dashboard. Number 12. Use the new privacy features. Windows 11 has several new privacy features, such as a new privacy dashboard and the ability to turn off microphone and camera access. Number 13. Use the new update features. Windows 11 has several new update features, such as the ability to defer updates and the ability to install updates while you're still using your computer. Number 14. Use the new recovery features. Windows 11 has several new recovery features, such as the ability to create a recovery drive and the ability to reset your computer. These are just a few more of the new features and improvements in Windows 11. I encourage you to explore the new operating system and find the features that work best for you. If you need any help, just ask. Stay safe, stay secure, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, and thanks for watching.